Hello, it's Tinashe from Cloudboard, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an email in Cpanel. So, first things first is you've got to know your domain name. So, for example, if your domain name is example.com, what you need to do is you just need to go here and type in example.com and type a / and then type in Cpanel, so that you go to the back end of the website where you can actually create emails. So for this example, I'm going to be using another domain of mine, which is zimnavigators.org and then / Cpanel. So you'll be redirected to a screen like this, and then what you need to do is you need to type in your username. So for this one, this is the username. Then I'm just going to paste in my password here. These passwords and the username, you can, if you haven't been given them by your web host, you can actually request them from your hosting provider. So what you need to do next is you click on login, and then when you log in, I'm not going to set this. When you log in, there are multiple accordions that are open, so you need to just minimize some of these and then go to the ones that you need. So we need here, we are on emails, so you just go on email accounts. So for this one, I'm just going to type info, and then I'm going just to type my password here for illustration purposes, which is and then I've just confirmed my password, and then you can set the limit for the space. If you don't want to have a limit here, you can just click on unlimited, or if you want to limit the mailbox, you can just say the data that can be contained into the mailbox is limited to say 250, or you can just type in 500 megabytes. And then what you need to do next is you create an account. So your account has been created, and to see that your account has been created, you can just see it here under email accounts that have been already created. You see that the new email account is now appearing, and for just to test if it's working properly, what you need is you open a new tab and then you type in your domain name. So this one is zimnavigators.org, and you put / this time you don't put Cpanel, this time you put webmail, and then you hit enter, and then you are directed to a page like this. So I'm just going to type in my new email that I just created, which is email@zimnavigators.org. And then I'm just going to type in my password, and then I'm just going to log in. I'm not going to save this. So the first time that you log in, you realize that they'll ask you to configure your email, so you just click on got it. And then here there are webmail applications that you can use to host your email. So I recommend that you use Roundcube, as it is the most user-friendly one, and it is an interface which pretty looks much more like Google Mail and Yahoo Mail. So I'll just click here so that you can just see how it looks like inside of the email. So this is the email, and then this is your buttons for creating a new mail, marking, drafts. You have the send box here, junk, trash. And this is the default email that is sent to you for configuration purposes. Maybe if you want to configure on Outlook or something like that, this message contains information that you can use just to do that. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.